How to edit white background in Picsart. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make changes in the white background. First of all, open a Picsart application. Now here in the middle, tap on this plus icon. So you can create or open any of your blank projects. So I am opening one. Now I have inputted in this editing platform. Here on the bottom, swipe right until you find the option called fit. Now tap on fit. So a white background has been added. Now in order to change it, there are different options, so you can change the color too. Here if you select color and choose any other color, it will be changed. There's another option called background. Tap on background. Now there are other background images that you can choose. So here there's another option called images. Now you can import even your own image and set it to the background. At last, here on the top, tap on the stick button and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.